Hello guys, welcome again to another video at MYJ World YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA IDE. First of all, let's begin with opening the download page and downloading the IDE and waiting for it to download. Now that it's all downloaded, let's just launch it up, give it admin privileges, choose the install location, which I'm going to leave as default, then configure some settings to do along with installation, and then install it. After that, I'm going to restart and see you after restart. Now that we have restarted, I am going to launch the IDE again. Accept the T and Cs, choose your statistics preference, and allow network access. That's it, guys. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in another video.